Well, hello there. Let's make some spaghetti bolognese. I'm going to be using some ground beef. This is approximately a pound and a third, 1/3 of a pound, I should say. I have some bay leaves. I'm also going to use some thyme. I also have here some garlic cloves. I'm going to use just about 3 of that. There's a lot of garlic in the sauce that I made, so I don't need too much of it in there. Now I'm just going to give it a rough chop. We don't mind biting into our garlic. If you happen to do, then maybe you want to go ahead and really mince it very well. So, onion, I'm going to just mince. Just dice it up. Going to transfer that onto a plate. Going to pour a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in my pot. I'm going to pour in my onion. Now I'll add my minced garlic. Now I'm going to put some water on the stove for my spaghetti. I'll cover to boil. Onion and garlic beautifully caramelized. I'm going to add some bay leaves as well as a sprig of thyme. Throwing it sweet thin in here. Now I'm going to add in here my ground beef. And so just season with some salt, generous amount, some pepper, I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning. Beef cooked. Now I have a jar of my homemade pasta sauce. I'm going to pour that in here. Recipe right here on the channel. Rinsed out the jar with some water. I'm going to add that in here. I have four basil leaves. Cover and let it simmer. Water is boiling. Going to add a generous amount of salt. Now I'll add some olive oil. That helps for the pasta not to stick. And now I'm going to just drop my pasta in here. Now I'll cover and let it boil. Sauce beautifully cooked. I'll add my parsley. Now I'm going to scoop some of the sauce just for topping. You know, over here we're always thinking about presentation, and also just in case it's too much for the pasta. Pasta should be cooked at this point. Beautiful. With it. Now I'll transfer my spaghetti into the sauce. And now I'm just going to toss my spaghetti in the sauce, let everything just get very well mixed up. And that is pretty much all there is to this recipe. Very simple, absolutely delicious, smells so good. The best part, you know every single ingredient in this sauce. Yes, homemade from scratch, definitely with a pinch of love. And now I'm going to just grate some Parmesan cheese on it. I love cheese. If you don't, you don't have to add that in there. At this point, I have turned off the flame. I'm just going to use the residual heat to let this cheese melt in there. Stir it up. And now we are ready to serve. And folks, this is where I like to say restaurant quality in the comfort of your home for a price you simply cannot beat. We're gonna make it pretty because over here, you know, we eat first with our eyes. Remember that sauce that we set aside? You're going to top it off with some of that, just like so, and then sprinkle. Yes, I'm going to grate some more Parmesan cheese on it. Sprinkle a little bit of chopped parsley. And that is all there is to this meal. Now let's get the verdict.
Thank you. It smells good.
So good. You really should try this. Onion, beautiful. Onion and garlic, beautifully. Onion and garlic, beautifully caramelized.